Hey everybody, how you doing today? I have a Bemaco rapid saw set made in Inglewood, California in the 1940s to 50s. And what it does, it sets the teeth on hand saws and band saws. The teeth are not actually straight. They actually, every other tooth is supposed to go kick out a little to the right or left. And as you use them, they straighten out again. And this machine, you put the saw in here, you lift this piece up, you put the saw blade in there with the teeth facing in. These two arms will actually walk the saw blade down so it hits each tooth. The adjustments back here for, I guess, how many teeth per inch. I know that's the adjustment for how many teeth you have, so I'm not sure about the settings. I've never used it. And there's an electric motor under here which spins this wheel. This wheel has a cam on it which lifts this hammer to fire down on the saw blade and knock the tooth to the angle that it should be. I'll run it around here real quick by hand. As you can see, these arms are moving and this goes up and down. It's a simple machine. And that's it. These two arms right here, that is for the setting for how many teeth per inch on your blade. There's play in these arms. You can lift them up and down. You probably can't see it too well from that distance. I'll get a close-up on it in a bit here. And what is happening is, because of the play, this arm is allowed to come up, and there's a screw at the end of it. And the screw head is riding on the shaft here when it's running. I was running it, you can hold it down and away, but as soon as you let it go, because the machine's running, it's going to pop up. It did do a little bit of scarring on the shaft, but that's not going to hurt anything. You know, looks wise, yes, but mechanically, no. This is the arm. As you can see, there's the screw head touching the shaft. You just push it down. It's supposed to sit like that, but as soon as you turn the machine on, it comes up and runs into it. So, I would imagine there's some type of bushing in here, or you'll just have to put your own bushing in there to get it to stop wobbling. I'll show you the wobble here from the side. So the play is definitely coming out of here. I tried tightening that, but that is tight as it can be. There's your adjustments for your, I would imagine it's teeth per inch. I didn't read the manual. The pedal's definitely going to need to be rewired. It, actually, when I was moving the thing around and it was plugged in, it came on. And it kept running. I unplugged it, I moved the wire around, plugged it back in, and the pedal's back to working again. But obviously it does need to be rewired. So, and I believe you'll have to knock that pin out. And there's a little clip holding the wire there, but you can see it's frayed, so they just must be making contact, which completes the circuit and it'll make it run. So, need to rewire the pedal. Like I said, these move up and down nice. This knob's a little stiff, but it does turn. That's where you lift to put your blade in. These had a little surface rust. I hit them with a little brass wire brush. I am going to coat them with oil to keep the rust down. Same with up here. And, oh yeah, here's the other thing I was saying. There's three issues. The cord, the bushings, or whatever's going on in there, and here's the little ears. I'd imagine you put the saw in and then flip these guys forward. You can see this one right here. Looks like it got whacked at some point by the machine, but it's still straight. Just wanted to show you that little nip on the top. Other than that, the thing's very clean. For its condition, I'd say, I mean, for the year, I'd say it's in great condition. Well, I'll get the tension off of this again. Come out of the way. Allen key to change your bit. I guess there's different bits for this. A quick look at the underside. The motor has oilers on it. That's the little cap there. I did put a couple drops of 3-in-1 electric motor oil in there. They say you're supposed to do it at least once a year. There's one on each side. Here's a look at the motor. Hopefully I can get the light right so you can see it. It's Oster, I believe is how you say it, O-S-T-E-R. And they make like kitchen equipment and whatnot, I thought. I'll get a good picture of that in the ad if you're interested in seeing it closer. I'll just run around it real quick. Put this light down here. So that's it. The rest of the video is just going to be me going around it with the camera, giving a little close-ups here and there. Thanks for watching. If you get it, hope it brings you many years of use and enjoyment. Thanks. See y'all.